called Prep for Taxes. And what it does is it looks at the last tax year. So it's January 6, 21, right? So I'm looking at 20. And what's as nice is I usually come in here in every file because it has a summary of changes made. I never accept them. Again, this is a working trial balance. You can still do stuff in the file, right? Accepting the changes doesn't put it in the register. They're already in there. These are the changes that I'm making in here, or changes to things that are in the register. So I like to see who's making changes and then how many since the last time I was in here. Can be helpful. And what I like too is that you have a document sharing portal system, right, that you can attach to accounts. So you can actually attach documents to accounts now, because QBO, it's always been about customers and vendors. You can attach documents there or transactions. But now I can like literally attach documents to this fixed asset account. I just click add. That's kind of new. So even if you don't use ProConnect Tax Online, this module, this Prep for Taxes module, which I think we should rename, is very useful for other things. Document portal storage, number one. And you can add your own folder and move them around. Review and adjust. I love it because the balance sheet and P&L, this is what it looks at. Like they open in a collapsed mode, right? So I have to drill into current assets and then bank accounts, right? And then make an adjustment as a journal entry. And you can see the adjusting entries and the money, dollar amount, percent changed the year versus the year. And you can even add notes here. So adding adjustment just takes you to the journal entry page. And then the grouping and statements is my new favorite in here because I can change the order of the accounts. I can literally change the order of the accounts. So if I drill in here, you see how these things? Like I could take ABC and move it up in between payroll and company checking and then run a report on it. Because, right, the chart of accounts in QBO, as you know, the difference in QBO, the chart of accounts versus desktop, is that it's the order of them, which impacts reporting for the balance sheet and P&L, is alphabetical or numeric within each type. And that's it. I can't drag them around like in desktop with a little diamond, but in here I can. So I like that too. Grouping and statements, if you will, and then again, note attachment, ungroup, so you can group them differently and run a report on that to Excel.